Okay, so this one is, again, this one's back to a beginner kit. Ta-da! This is the amigurumi. This one is the frog, the pig, and the bunny rabbit.
It kind of sounds like a story, children's story.
Yes.
Something in the whatever it was. Right.
Time to play farm amigurumis. Okay. So it's the same one as the fox.
All the various colours are pulled out.
Yeah, no, they're all there right on top. And
I imagine
the black cotton.
It's going to be the same technique.
Yeah, it's going to be exactly the same.
For everything.
Yeah, the only difference will obviously be the colours.
Is there a picture of them?
Yes.
Are they done in the same way as...
Yeah, exactly the same. Yeah, different.
The first thing that we did, not the Red Riding Hood one.
Yeah, the first one with the fox.
I forgot to ask what the Red Riding Hood one looks like.
Super cute.
Are they similar?
No, they look like actual figures. Okay. The actual proper little crochet dolly things. Quite more complicated.
What are the colours of these then?
You go from green, bright yellow, very pale green, peachy orange, purpley creamy something.
Purpley creamy?
I
could have purpley creamy.
It's a purpley creamy beigey colour.
They are three completely different colours. Well, beige and cream are kind of sort of purple. Purpley cream?
Yeah, kind of. You know, if you get like a colour spectrum and you, right at the far end, it's the very, very darkest of that particular shade. And then you swoop all the way up to the very lightest of it. It's along that same line.
Right.
I'm really not making any sense at all, am I? No. Okay. What I'll do is get a picture.
Like a very, very soft lilac or something.
Yeah, no.
No,
it's more beigey than that.
I don't understand that at all.
Yeah. Then that's the purpley, very light. And then that's the more dark shade of the same sort of tone. And that looks whitish with a touch of green. That's like a white, but it kind of looks, and that's an orangey colour.
Orange.
Yeah.
With a touch of blue. Okay.
It makes sense, honest. It really does, I promise. And then
I've already forgotten what it's making.
It's making the amigurumi farm animals. Although that's really weird because it's a frog, a pig and a rabbit. Now, arguably, well, I know.
I thought you might get frogs in the grass. But...
Oh, you might, but that just, pig, yes, that's a farm animal. Rabbit at a push, you could have,
petting zoo.
Yeah, but in what world is a frog a farm animal? I mean, that's just ridiculous.
Don't know.
Bad anchor, bad naughty anchor.
Yeah.
And that's that one.
Doesn't make any sense. I can't put the lid back on.
I'll put the lid back on.